In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x000001f7. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to check your date and time if it's right. Navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on Settings. At the settings, please proceed to the left pane, find for time and language. Proceed to the date and time, click on it. And then enable the set time zone automatically on. Set time automatically enable that by clicking on on. Check if the error has been fixed. And if not, you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. Navigate here at the left side, open your settings again. Type for Windows Space Store. Then go with Find and Fix Problems with Windows Store apps. Click on Next to run the troubleshooter and wait until it would be done. Once done, try to check if the error has been resolved. If the error still persists, proceed to the next step, that is to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together. Type for wsreset.exe. Click on the OK button. Wait until this procedure would be finished, and once you are done with this, try to check if the error has been resolved, okay? And if not, then I want you to copy the command that I have given at the YouTube description. Please proceed here at the button search bar, type for PowerShell. Once a best match has been seen, which is the Windows PowerShell system, please navigate to the right side and run it as an administrator. So I want you to paste the command that you have copied. Paste it here at the Windows PowerShell. So Control C and then make a right click here to paste it. So click on the Enter key in your keyboard and you can now start the procedure. Wait until it would be done, and once you are done, try to check if the error has been fixed. Now that said, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.